Welcome to ASP NET SQL Academy. In this video, we will learn how to integrate Bootstrap, DatePicker and TimePicker controls into your ASP.NET Web Forms projects for a better user experience. Using Bootstrap, DatePicker and TimePicker controls improves usability by letting users pick dates and times easily, ensuring consistent UI across browsers and reducing input errors. Plus, they are responsive for mobile devices. Here is what we will cover: adding Bootstrap and required dependencies, setting up the DatePicker and TimePicker controls, accessing selected values in your web forms code behind, and customizing their formats and options. First, include Bootstrap CSS and JS, jQuery, and the Bootstrap DatePicker and TimePicker CSS and JS files. These can be added in your master page, head, and before closing body tag respectively. Next, add a text box with the Bootstrap form control class. Initialize the DatePicker using jQuery, setting the date format, enabling auto close, and highlighting today's date. Similarly, add a text box for time input and initialize the TimePicker plugin. Here, we disable the AM/PM meridian, set the minute step to 5, and no default time is shown. When the user submits the form, you can access the selected date and time values from the text boxes in your code behind and process them as needed. You can customize the DatePicker's format, date range, and Show Today button. For TimePicker, toggle AM/PM display, step intervals, and default time. Adjust these options based on your user needs. If you face issues, make sure jQuery loads before Bootstrap plugins. Use the correct client ID in scripts. Watch for CSS conflicts and debug using browser developer tools. To summarize, include necessary scripts, add text boxes styled with Bootstrap, initialize the date and time pickers with jQuery, access selected values in your server code, and customize settings to suit your application. Check out these official documentation links for more details and advanced configurations of Bootstrap, DatePicker and TimePicker plugins. If you found this video useful, please like, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more ASP.NET Web Forms and Bootstrap tutorials. Thanks for watching.